here I'm with one in the ship. Tell me the name of the ship.
Esmeralda.
Esmeralda, okay.
Trying to check Esmeralda from the Chilean Navy.
And I'm so excited because I've got Pedro here, and who used to be on the kitchen in one of these wonderful kitchens, and of course John, who's now head of the kitchen, he's looking after the kitchen. And this is a beautiful kitchen because you can feel nice and warm in the middle of winter.
Yes.
And it's fabulous, isn't it? Because you've got these huge pots. How many people do you cook for? How many people?
300.
300 every day? Every day 300? Okay. And what is your normal meal? Look at this. Let's go and have a look at this menu. Let's go and have a look here.
But this is the menu around here.
Oh, the menu's here? Did you stop halfway? One was the menu for today.
Lunes.
Yes, okay. Salmon, yes, yes. For night,
Desayuno.
you know. Salmon.
Entrada.
Stir fried beef.
Yes.
Cocina. With
You have calf and turkey or pork.
Yes.
Yes, okay. That's a
and
very
then,
good
and then we have
selection, yes.
we have tea and bread and just
Yes. Bavaria, you have
Bavarois is
Bavarois, yes, of course.
kind of a,
Yes, lovely
so
pastry.
it's some French influence in the cooking.
Yes, of course,
in
it does.
the cooking. And today we have, what do we have for today? We have